will tell you how to perform experiment on summing amplifier and a difference amplifier. Before that, as I have told you previously, you have to check that the op-amp is working and you are able to display the waveform, and your RPS DC regulators are giving proper DC voltages. I will check these DC voltages. Switch on this, and so here it is a 14.8. You should get the same, approximately same voltage and even on a multimeter. Check with multimeter whether your channels are giving proper DC voltages or what. Yes, this channel is giving a proper output, that is 14.8 volt, and likewise check all the channels, and when this is giving 15 voltage. I have set it for 15 and it is giving 15 voltage, and likewise check another channel, another RPS. So I have kept it on 10.5, it is displaying 10.56, it is okay. Then you have kept it for 10.9 volt, and multimeter is displaying 11.22. So I can use all these channels for our experiment. DC voltage power supply is working properly. So next I will check how the whether op-amp is working properly or not. To do that, you short the second pin of op-amp with the output, then connect input to pin number 3 from the function generator, okay, and provide proper supply to our op-amp. So pin number 7 is given plus 15 or plus 12 volt. I have given plus 15 here for pin number 7. Then pin number 4 I am giving minus 15 volt. Then these ends should be connected to ground. Okay, now so what I have done, I have shorted pin number 2 and 6 and given input from function generator to pin number 3. Then I have provided power supply to pin number 7, that is plus VCC plus 15 volt, and for pin number 4 I have given minus 15 volt, that is minus VCC. Then check the input as well as output. So this is the input. So input is sine wave, and same input sine wave voltage, I have connected a voltage follower circuit, so the output will also be same as a input. So it is giving a sine wave on a output, pin number 6 of op-amp. So voltage follower, it is properly working. So to this we can say that our op-amp is working. Then make connection according to circuit for summing amplifier. So what is the connection? Take resistors. 1K resistor, I am connecting it in a feedback from pin number 2 to 6. 2 to 6 I have connected on 1K resistor. Then to the same terminal, that is pin number 2, I am taking input resistance again 1K, and the same pin, that is pin number 2, I am connecting one more input for summing. Only 2 input I am taking. It should sum those DC voltages. Let us see whether we are doing it by summing the voltage or what. Then, so what I have done, I have connected 1K resistor from pin number 6 to 2, then connected 2 input resistors so that I can connect 2 inputs. DC inputs. So take from this RPS, initially keep it 0. You have to switch it off while making a connection. So connect one point here to one register, and another point, the same channel should go to ground. Then so this another channel we input to another end of the another register, so that I can sum the inputs DC voltages, and this end negative I am connecting it to ground. Okay, for summing you don't need a sine wave, because you are giving input from the RPS, and then connect pin number 3 to ground. So pin number 3 should be connected to ground. So where is our ground? It is here. Now switch on this. It is already on. Make both 1 1, or okay, also make this 1. So this is 1, this is 1. Output I should get, that is sum is 2. Since it is working in a non-inverting mode, you will get output as a minus 2 volt. So let us check with our multimeter. So where is the output? Output will be on pin number 6. So you can see it on the multimeter. It is minus 2.21. Since it is a 1 volt and it is 1.2 volt, sum is plus 2.2. Since it is working in a inverting mode, you are getting it as a minus 2.21. Then change this, make it, let us say I will make it 1 input as a 5 volt, and another input as 5. So you can see it is 4.9 and it is 4.9. The sum is approximately minus that is 10. Since it is working in a inverting mode, you are getting it almost minus 10 volt. So this is how you perform. This is how you perform summing amplifier. For a difference amplifier, there is a minor change